Hi guys, welcome to the channel. And in previous lecture we learned about how to create table using GUI, the graphical user interface, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to create table using SQL. So to create table, there is a simple syntax. Simply write create table. Here create and table are the two keywords. Then you can write your table name. Let it be first table, and after that you have to use an open bracket, then write your column name. So it is our first column. Now the data type, I am using decimal. Now you have to specify the size, though I am giving it a size of 10. And after that, if you want to add more columns, you can simply use a comma and then write your second column. Then let it be a varchar, and I am sizing it to a 200. And likewise, if you want to add more columns, you can always use a comma and then specify your third column. For this example, we are using 2 columns only, and at the end close the bracket we opened here and end the query by using semicolon. Now let's run the query. So here we can see the script output, the table first table created. Here the script output is because this is a DDL query, and we will cover these in later videos, but for now you can know that this is a DDL query, and so this is a script output. Now let's find our table. So here is our first table, you can see, and there are 2 columns we created. So this is the way you can create your table using SQL. That's it for the lecture, and see you guys for the next one.